Here at Cranfield, we always like to see the bigger picture. As an exclusively postgraduate university, we take learning to new heights in technology and management. We award over 5% of the UK's engineering and technology PhDs every year. 81% of our research is classed as world-leading. Our academics find solutions to global challenges. Our graduates leave ready to launch into high-flying careers. That's why we rank in the UK top 5 for both commercial research and professional development. The bigger the question posed, the more innovative the solution required. That means collaboration between the brightest minds from academia and from industry, working together. Everything we do is in partnership, whether it's with individuals, business, government, or industry. Those connections create opportunity. The opportunity to innovate. The opportunity to create. The opportunity to make a real impact. Our influence springs from the same bedrock that supports all our activities. Groundbreaking research applied in a practical way to global problems. It's our signature approach to learning that allows our people to make their mark, to build the kind of careers they want, and to become part of an alumni network which extends right around the world. So many brilliant minds in such close proximity creates a powerful flow of knowledge. Ideas are the currency our learners trade in. Our graduates are shining lights in leading thinking and policy making across the globe. Here at Cranfield, we like to aim high across technology and management. Our work reveals new horizons, and we create the leaders to get there.